is our outside pin. We have them on here while we're sitting out here. And it has a litter box, which someone's already used really nicely. Got the water bowl. Some toys. Got some air on them, so they can make sure they're cool. Got the sunshade blocking the sun. And they're just out here chilling. Another Corgis or the other dogs we have are coming up and visiting them. This is a good period in their life to expose them to different situations, environments. Yeah. Pick them up, turn them upside down, get their little paws.